guys, just doing a quick weekly analysis on Gbpjpy. We had a few good trades last week on Gbpjpy on short position, and on Friday, late Friday, Gbpjpy rally. That is due to some positive news came out of Brexit, so that is the reason the market rallied. Was just about heading towards 35, and then the market just decided to rally. That is due to the news. Right now, what I'm seeing on Gbpjpy is to test this 4079. This is I'll draw a box here so you guys know what I'm actually talking about. This area here, where the red line box I just drawn, is this the area that I'm likely to bounce. As I said, GBP especially, I'm on short pretty much on every pairs. Been for last 3 months or so, and I will be continuing to do this until we get clear news on Brexit, what is actually happening. Depending on that, the market going to recover. At the moment, I will not be looking for buy as yet. So my buy area is going to be, which I mentioned marked up last week. It's just exactly the same. I am waiting, and I am expecting one more push down. It could happen on Tuesday. There's some debate going on, so let's see what happens. So we're going to be prepared for it. We don't need to jump in the trade. When we mark up, we'll be waiting patiently at those areas. So let me get my that is daily, by the way, guys. So where the blue and this blue line is a level of support. Support could possibly become this support could possibly become a resistance here. So we'd just like to see a bounce at where my the blue line is here. I'm talking about this one. This blue line, this line here. I'm expecting a bounce here, and if I see a rejection at this level, this is the way I will be looking to take a short position. If the price get above this area here, around this area here, whether this is another trend line I drawn here, this one here, but if price get above this, which is around yeah, 43, anywhere around 43.50. If the price get above this, then that open the door for this move here, which is to touch 50 again. So right now, until this, where the red box is, this is my sell area. Anything around this area will be a short position, and I'll be targeting towards around 35. Because I am expecting market to do one more push down towards 35, and then a possible rally towards 50. So still within that area here, still within my sell zone, all the market rallying. So I will be waiting patiently around this area. Alternatively, I'll be waiting for this one for a pullback. Anytime I see taking a pullback, so those are the area I'll be looking to buy from, and these are the area where the red box is. This is where I'll be looking to sell at this area. Blue line to red line. This area is where I'll be focusing to go short, and where this is the area that I'll be looking to go long. So that's my setup for Gbpjpy. From here, I'll be targeting up to here around 50. Because if it could happen on Tuesday, as I said. If I see a market, depending on what kind of news we're going to get, based on that, I see a dip, I will be buying it. I see a rally, depending on the news, I'll be selling it. My markup is here. So basically, if it goes above my markup, I am ready pretty much. On depends what direction market decide to make move. For buy, setup, sell, I'm ready for it. So these are the area. If I see those areas that market do exactly what I'm looking at, then I will be taking those positions. And that's how I do my markup. And this is how I follow with my trades as well, weekly trades. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. I'm not going to make much longer. this video. I'm going to have a quick look at 4 hourly just to see if you got any, is there potential short-term setup. So let me get rid of these marks. Let's get 4 hourly because I just like to see a glance of on 4 hour. Yeah, that's a markup on daily, by the way. So let me get rid of all this markup. Right. So as you can see it there, this blue line, this is where I'll be looking to go short. Possible rally towards 52, where the another red mark is. These are the level of resistance. So that is where potential sell position will be looking to sell, and this will be another potential sell position. And after that, I'll be more towards buy. I'll be looking for more towards buy. So I'll be buying it on dip. From here, I'll be targeting from there. Yeah, I see a price rejection here. I'll be targeting up to there, around this area. So this is what I've been waiting for. Let's see what happens with when the market opens, maybe tomorrow. Based on that, we'll take trades. So I am until we see a price get above 1476. Until then, I'll be keep looking for short position. Above, then more towards I would say buy. But Tuesday is a very important day for Gbpjpy, so we'll watch out for this. Right, thanks a lot, guys.